You idiot. After all this, you actually think that I'm hiding real feelings for you? Every time I touched you or smiled at you, it was a lie, part of my performance. I even trained myself to blush. Despite that, I still failed.
Want to run away together? I can watch your back. You'd have a better chance of escaping. Reze! Wait! Don't go! I'll wait for you at the cafe!
Denji, I wonder why I didn't kill you the first time we met. I'll teach you everything.